Hey everyone, happy Sunday, it's Sato here again. Today I'm going to attempt to finish the bonus stage by killing each of the bosses on the very first turn. This strategy that I'm going to run was conceived by Zerithbrahem9 from Reddit. So what it calls for is a breaker. He recommended a Lauren, dual-wielding certain element weapons. I don't have 7-star Lauren, so I'm going to use my 7-star Aaron. He's got Earth in his Galkin Dagger, Lightning in his Lightning Saber, and he can use a wind-type move called Hellstorm. And that should clear one of the missions for the first boss, the Terra Knight. Then, and he's just built for effective magic health. He's got some health, he's got some spirit, he just needs to survive Intangir's preemptive meteor. Myra will play a pretty important role. She's going to AoE auto-revive the party, turn on the first battle, because Terra Knight will posthumously cast a AoE death spell. She's also stacked with, spirit and HP to survive the meteor from Intangir. Aurora Frievia, mine, as well as my friend's Meatball over here, he just happened to have Lucid Lens equipped, which is very important because Aurora Frievias, the two Aurora Frievias I'm using, they're not very tanky, and so they will likely die. Unlike the normal Frievia, they don't have a Guts passive, so Lucid Lens will allow them to survive that preemptive. Okay. Rem here, she will be our Esper Gauge bot. She's just going to die during the first battle and the third battle. She's going to dual cast Furiga on the second battle in order to deal 2 out of the 3 required fire damages required, I guess. Magic, yep, she has dual cast and Furiga. Last but not least, Ang here is going to be the huge-ass finisher. He's also got Lucid Lens, because he has a Guts passive, but it only activates 80% of the time. I don't want to leave it up to chance. Since I have 2 Lucid Lens, why not put it on him, right? So he's going to slaughter that Experiment 44. Okay, let's get started. I got everything, yep, I think so. Alright. Okay, Aaron will deal his wind damage, Hellstorm, Myra will auto-revive everyone, Aurora Frievia, not yet, Rem is gonna pass out, good night, and you are going to charge up your limit boost. Now you... let's see, auto-revive, deal your wind damage twice, charge yourself up, wake Rem up, and you're going to use that on the Terra Knight. Everyone gets back up like nothing happened. So good so far? So far so good? Oh shit. Oh, I fucked up. Ah, I see. Well, I fucked up. Yeah, so I think I fucked up. I should have used Rem's Esper Gauge fill before Myra used her auto re-raise. Well, I mean, I should have thought that through, but that wasn't very obvious in the guide either. Okay, well, we'll see what happens. I'm not sure. The mission says clear without an ally KO'd. Rem didn't die this round, but I wonder if that will count against me for this mission. If it does, I'm gonna restart. Fuck this. Oh no, that wasn't killed by LB. I think that did the trick. Oh boy, I wonder if I'll get the clear without ally KO'd mission. Like, she didn't die this battle, but... Oh, okay. There's hope. So I'm not going to be able to first turn kill in Tangier without missing a mission. So let's see. So as long as I don't hurt in Tangier, I don't think that in Tangier will continue to pound the shit out of me. I'm going to take my first turn and recover. You know, get my team back on its feet, especially round. Alright, everyone should survive, right? Alright, look at that guts. Okay, so I read the wiki. I think as long as I don't hurt in Tangier, he shouldn't go crazy and wipe my team. So, let's see, what's my missions again? No items, no recovery magic. Too bad Myra doesn't use full life or some crap. She uses a ability to revive Rem. Okay. You know, in Tangier we come in peace. Don't do anything funny to us. Oh good. We're gonna whoop your ass now. Well, I'm not sure because I lost a triple flash. Well, we'll see what happens. Entrust the future. Buff everyone up. I think that did the trick. Right? Killed him with an Esper, no recovery magic, no items. That should be it. It's a shame this wasn't a true first turn KO in all battles. But I think, you know, I got everything. I adapted. So Zareth Burham's guide would still work. My only comment to him would be to make it very clear that Myra needs to be used, I guess. Hold on a second. I think Aurora Forever needs to revive Rem first before Myra uses her AoE auto-revive. Maybe he did specify that way, I just didn't read it closely enough, but whatever, first try, get all missions. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you Meeple for lending me your Lucid Lens Aurora Forever, although it looks like she didn't need it, only mine did. How sad. And yep, thank you Zareth Burham 9 for your guide. And yep, I guess I better do all these Chris caves now. See ya guys.